Home Remedies presents
One ingredient, a simple DIY remedy for cracked heels. Cracked heels can happen due to a severe underlying issue or due to the cosmetic problem. Thus, as soon as you notice them, it is very essential to treat cracked heels. During the winter season, your skin may need some extra attention and hydration. Cracked heel is also a common condition during winters. Taking care of your heels with a simple routine can help you ensure happy feet. This winter, if you are looking for the simplest way to take care of your heels, then today's video is for you. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. You will need only one ingredient to prevent and manage cracked heels this winter: aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is loaded with beauty benefits. It is loaded with antibacterial properties. First, clean your feet properly and apply fresh aloe vera gel over it. Put on a pair of clean socks and leave them on overnight while you sleep to allow time for the gel to penetrate your sore skin. In the morning, your heels will feel and look softer. Do this preferably at night before going to bed. Once your heels are cured, apply this to your heels every day after having bath to prevent recurrence of cracked heels.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.